This is not a happy face. And if anybody likes to say that, my face always looks like it, yeah, you're right, but I am not happy. So, I was planning on putting this valve cover back on. And then I noticed way down there in those two corners, okay, I cleaned it up now, but there was a little bit of oil sitting there. That side was a bit more. And I know when I done the valve covers and valve cover gaskets, I made sure everything was spotless. But it seems like this gasket for some reason was allowing oil through. Either the valve cover wasn't seated properly. I don't know. I spent a lot of time trying to get the thing to sit down properly. Or we have some worn out bolts, threads somewhere along the line and it just wasn't tightening down properly. And I know I talked it down here as well. So that just ruined things for me now, time wise again. So yeah, I took out the spark plugs. I'll insert the picture, just see what the spark plugs look like. Actually, you know what? I've got them soaking now, trying to get them clean. And you can see, yeah, number 2, 3, and 4 were absolutely pathetic. I haven't opened up on this side of the bank. I didn't really think about that I have this problem again. But anyway, that's what it is now. Actually, before we done the suspension on the car, I did start the car and idle it for a bit, and there was a slight misfire. But I ruled it out to probably being that there wasn't fuel in the tank. And the car started idling funny, like it wanted to switch off, turn off. And obviously, the reason it was doing it was because of that. Yeah, so onwards with this. Just a short update on what I've been breaking my head with right now. I thought I'd have the harness and everything done by like yesterday, but obviously not. The Gremlin strikes again. Right? I painted all these plastics and the metal and all that stuff for the wipers. Everything is looking much nicer with the flat black and the matte clear. A very classy finish now. And then yeah, those are the injectors from my E28. You can see that one still looks fine, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were just leaking, running like taps. I rebuilt them some time ago. Well, not rebuilt them, I just changed the O-rings, new puntles, and yeah, obviously they're getting stuck open, so they need a good clean. But that we'll show that some other time when I do some work on that car again. Also, this panel came in this morning, fitted this, and then yeah, I fitted that AC pipe also, looks nice and new, clean it up back up. And then, wait, what is going on with this thing? It's drunk again. New cap, I actually found it, I was scratching through everything. I've been busy with the wiring. I've got 2 new plugs on so far. That one just broke off, disappeared. I need to sort that out. But this is my biggest headache right now. I need to get this finished, sort this out, and then I can put the harness back on and get everything else back in place. And then, what else was there? I spoke about that's been like, oh, come down. It's a little bit more light to the subject. That's been completely painted now. Looks really nice now. We just put it on the front of the car just to get out of the way, and the bolts and stuff look absolutely horrid, so they also need some. I'm not gonna replace them, they are still decent, they're just a bit dirty, just need to clean up, so we'll do that as well.